Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make tempeh from scratch. This deep fried tempeh I'm going to use for one of my recipes. Come, let's go. I'm going to soak 2 cups of soya bean. I'm going to soak this for at least 8 hours. I'll come back. Okay, this has been more than 10 hours. So I gently rub them. So whatever is floating on top, I will remove them. I'm going to put this into on a medium heat. I'm going to boil this. I'm going to strain the water off, and I'm going to dry fry them on the pot itself. There should not be any water in the paste, so until the water evaporates. There should not be any water. So it's dry now. There's no water. You can actually put it under a fan, but I'm just going to let it go down here. And over here, I have to make sure the temperature is 98 or to 90, below 100 Fahrenheit. So I have to it's still above 100. Okay, it's about 100. So as long as it doesn't go above 100, it's good. So now it's below. Okay, now I'm going to add the 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Okay, then mix them well. And to this, I'm going to add slightly more than 1 gram of ragi. That is the tempeh starter. Okay. Now I'm going to add the tempeh starter, about 1 gram, below 2 gram. All right. And I'm going to mix them well. Took 2 cups of soya bean for this. Mix well. So I've already prepared. I have that kind of bag. I'm going to I'm not going to have so many, so I'm just going to put all in this one bag. I already punched hole in them. The thickness is about half an inch. So I'm going to place this in a warm area, and I make sure there's ventilation below. So I'm going to place this in a box and in a warm area. I'll be back in 2 days. This is the second day. I placed this tempeh inside a box in a warm area, And after 48 hours, this is how it looks. And I can feel the warmth. It's very firm. This is the third day. And by the way, you can use this bag again because there's already hole there. So your next batch, you can wash this and keep it aside. Use that again. So this is how the tempeh is. Look. So I'm going to fry this. So I'm going to cut to cubes. I'm going to show you one of it. See here? So firm and nice. So try, share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and like the button. I shall see you on my next upload. Bye.